We're here on the front row of Colossus here at Six Flags Qiddiya City in Saudi Arabia. Yeah. Oh, I tell you what, the staff have been great. Woo! Are you ready to ride?
I'm ready.
Hey, this guy's really excited. Woo! Whoa! Woo-hoo-hoo! So this is a GCI wooden coaster. Got wooden tracks, steel support structure. I love how it's got the old school lights around the track. You'll see them when we're going round. Makes it feel like an old wooden coaster, even though of course it's brand new, open with the park. We're going to be going a top speed of around 50 miles an hour. This ride's also got different trains. It hasn't got like the standard Millennium Flyers. It feels a bit tighter.
Let's go.
Look at the view. Woo. Incredible, here we go. Woo. Whoa. Woo. Whoa. That thing is relentless from start to finish. It flies around the track. It feels way faster than 50 miles an hour. You know what? The layout is spectacular, but it rides not the best because of the trains on here. Like, look how tight the lap bars are on here. Got very different restraints to the standard Millennium Flyers. So yeah, I think the trains do let it down a little bit, unfortunately, but you know what? It's still an excellent ride. Good to get on. Oh, but yeah, I just wish it had normal Millennium Flyers. You enjoy the ride?
Yes.
Yeah, it was good. Oh, brilliant. Thanks for joining me for a ride on Colossus.